Hello there, this is Finfornier, and I actually recorded already this system here within the Head Nebula system Strenuus. And I have no guarantee that this is recording either, because I did everything right as far as I know I did last time, and it still was just a screen recorder. The entire freaking thing. Oh well, here we go with trying to do this again, and I'm not going to land on the planet again. I'm just going to read the descriptions. After looking here, yep, here's the Head Nebula. Here we had been to PAX last time. We're at Strenuus. Not Strenuous, but Strenuus, I guess. So here's my reading this again. Yunthorl here. Shrouded by a thick atmosphere of complex hydrocarbons, Yunthorl has never been fully mapped. The surface is hot and completely covered in a global ocean of liquid hydrocarbons. There are indications of primitive organic life developing deep within the global ocean. Orbital period 5.8 Earth years, radius 5,905 kilometers, day length 55.2 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 2.1 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 68 Celsius, surface gravity 0.8 G. So that's Yunthorl. And then the second planet is Anatara. Anatara is a standard hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of ammonia. Hydrocarbons in the atmosphere lend it a distinct brown tint. Orbital period 52.0 Earth years, radius 35,417 kilometers, day length 14.7 Earth hours. Tralin, the third planet here is Tralin is a lifeless rock with a trace atmosphere of xenon and krypton. Its surface contains large amounts of iron and magnesium silicates. Due to a heavily cratered terrain, starships are discouraged from landing. A Solarian religious cult claims that a certain pattern of overlapping craters in the southern hemisphere resembles their goddess. An orbital period of 74.9 Earth years, radius 1,163 kilometers, day length 36.7 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure particularly 0.00 Earth atmospheres. Not 0, but 0.00. Surface temperature, negative 147 Celsius. Surface gravity, 0.1 G, so slightly less than Earth's moon. And another one, Thessalgon. A standard hydrogen-helium gas giant, Thessalgon's atmosphere is tinted blue by trace quantities of methane. Orbital period, 173.4 Earth years. Radius, 53,520 kilometers. Day length, 15.5 Earth hours. And over here, the unknown thing here is the MSV Majesty, where we did the side quest thing before. The Majesty is a Kowloon-class modular conveyor of human design. The ship is a derelict. All compartments are exposed to space, and the fusion plant is leaking. The damage is consistent with the ship-mounted mass accelerator fire. Registry, private owner, Captain Willem. Okay, and the last one here that I'm looking at is Zawin, where we could have landed, and I did land last time, where it didn't record. Zawin has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane. The surface is frozen and mainly composed of cobalt with deposits of copper. Planet-side conditions are hazardous, with constant ice storms racking the surface. Orbital period 97.3 Earth years. Radius 5,756 kilometers, day length 21.8 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.79 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature negative 131 Celsius, surface gravity 0.8 G. And that's it for this system. I mean, I could land there again and just show the map of it, because I guess that would be potentially useful. So yeah, let's do that. I'm not going to be roving around again though with this stupid thing, but yeah, here we go, accept squad, yes, and plop, extra crunchy, there goes all the tires. Alright, so M for this, okay. This is a Turian wreckage thing. Crashed probe. There's a thresher maw. Surveyed iridium deposit. Abandoned camp, which leads you to the... well, I already found this on my own, but this this listed these two things here. So there's surveyed cobalt deposit, surveyed palladium deposit. Here's a Geth beacon. There's 4 colossi here, and that's a privateer base there. So that's all I could find by wandering around. And now return to Normandy and see if I recorded anything or if I just wasted more time. I do like this game. I don't particularly like OBS screen recorder, even though it's what I'm used to. Gotta love having that kind of crap, and it's always something. Let's see if I have to do this again to see if it'll work. One of the times. Anyway, take care, and try to not go crazy.